Hello everyone, today I would like to show you a very interesting setup I managed to work out. Before we start, I want to show you the Telegram channel by the Scalping trading platform team, where you can find a lot of setups provided by traders. It's up to you to trade such setups or not, but by joining the channel you can overview the market setups much more easily. Now let's come to the practical part. The instrument is Gala. Here we see the local inclination line below the strong level here. I plan to enter long with half of my standard working volume, adding positions along the breakthrough of the strong horizontal line. For now I'm just waiting for some activity. Here we see the activity in the order book, and I decided to open a long position with a little part. Along with the increase of the activity, I keep adding positions. The next extra positions should be added after the breakthrough of the main level, namely 0.268. By that moment, the movement lacks activity, but the bars still remain the initiative. We are waiting for the participants to continue the bully rush. In clusters, we see that the huge bars volume has been executed, namely 1.3 million. That's why I still hold the position. Initially, I expected the retest, however, the activity rises again and the breakthrough of the main level is now in progress. With the breakthrough of the level, I add positions as I planned. On addressing impulse, I am fixing the main parts of my position. Then I keep closing partially with small limit orders. Finally, I closed all the positions when I noticed the spoofer in the order book. The next setup is the pullback after the breakthrough. The argument for the short position was a huge amount of limit orders here at the price of 0.2947, 3 million of tokens. I managed to open a short position with only half of my standard working volume. Graphically, the price demonstrated a drastic reach of the local high, 1 hour time frame. According to these arguments, I decided to apply a pullback strategy. The movement is going well as far as many long participants keep fixing their positions, lowering the price. While the price is actively going lower and there are no huge buyers, I still hold the position. The movement is caused by the active fixing of positions by participants who entered long positions here at the breakthrough. Huge volumes here indicate that a lot of long positions were executed and now the positions are being fixed. From here, I'm starting to fix my positions partially. I have closed the half. Here we notice that the price faces resistance and the movement lacks seller's power. Finally, I close the position. Let's summarize the results using the trader diary from the Scalping trading platform team. We managed to earn about $200 from the setups, 115 from the breakthrough setup, $36 from the small pullback setup. Unfortunately, I didn't manage to capture it. And finally, $49 from the pullback I just demonstrated for you. The video was prepared for the Scalping trading platform team. Thank you for your attention.